Fred Kuhn, author, licensed employment agent, and CEO of Stewart Cooper and Kuhn, is talking to us about hidden jobs, Tally. Hidden jobs and how you can find them and how you can get yourself in front of employers.
Well, it sounds like what he was saying before the break was that it's not so much us going and find company. I don't go and find a company. A company knows what it wants and comes and looks for me. But what can I do to make myself more appetizing,
more attractive, huh?
Well, there are a number of things that you can do. First is to define your brand. What are you? What is your product? Look at yourself as a product, taking to the marketplace this product. What is the product? Why is your product better than all the other competitors out there? Who are you targeting for presenting your product to? What is your brand? And we talked about the 5 components of brand a few minutes ago. And then how do you get an interview to present your product? And when you're there, how do you get them to buy your product and not a competing product? And then how do you get the best price for your product? This is all product marketing 501 in graduate school, because it's a very sophisticated process involving many steps. We were talking about the hidden job market, so if you don't mind, I could go on for hours about the product value. I'd like everybody in your audience to understand something. As a product, you do have value in the marketplace. One of the main reasons that you will get multiple interviews and that you will get more money or be in a position to negotiate more money is the following, and it's called value add. Let me give you an example. If you go in looking for a position at, say, $150,000, and you take 25% of that for your benefits, add that to it, so the salary plus the benefits is supposedly the cost basis. It's really not. What you have to do, and what the accountants do, is to apply the overhead to that. So if we divide by, say, manufacturing at an average gross profit margin of 40%, you wind up with a $500,000 cost basis. So you're not interviewing for a $150,000 position. You're interviewing for a $500,000 cost basis. I ask the question of all of my clients, what is your PE ratio, your pay to earnings, your price to earnings on Wall Street, your pay to earnings in the job market? Are you a 2, a 5, a 10, a 20? What are you? And the higher that PE ratio, the greater probability of multiple interviews, because you look better than others and have more interest in the eye of the beholder, and you will be able to negotiate greater salary package benefits because they perceive you to be worth more.
So you're saying, Fred, don't look at this from your position. Look at this from the position of the employer. What is he looking for?
Exactly.
How does he see this? And that increases your likability, and that increases your probability of getting that job.
That is correct.